Efficient airflow, featuring 500 CFM airflow, backlit touchscreen, 4-speed fan, and twin centrifugal motors. Quickly ventilate your kitchen without the noise of competing range hoods. Optional carbon filter kit for Ductless. Purchase part number CFK5. Easy to clean filters. Cosmo's Arc Flow stainless steel permanent filters are dishwasher safe and extremely durable. Range hood can be used ductless with optional carbon filter kit. Purchase part number CFK5. Built with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost of care, Cosmo brings you beautiful premium range hoods at an affordable price. Expect cooking and cleaning experiences that make life easier, brighten up your kitchen, and protect your health. Energy-saving lights. The energy-efficient, 1.5-watt LEDs are long-lasting and provide bright, high-lumen lighting for better visibility at night. 5-year limited parts. Our customer support team is based proudly in the USA. Product dimensions: 29.5 W x 22 D x 10 H.